a bullish indication on the 1 hour time frame. We got 20 minutes left before the new day, before midnight. Um, I will want to see what happens if I do get into a buy and another buy entry and ride her up. Overall, her trade is trending. Her trend is selling, so it won't be that long of a buy to get in. I mean, to stay into. So we shall see. Either she's going to uh, make a bearish or a bullish candle. And yeah, so just waiting for that. US 30, I don't think I touched her yet this week. There was a buying opportunity, um, but I just didn't like the way that she's been doing a lot of consolidation. We have a lot of dojis that's taking points, a lot of indecision in the market. So I didn't really like that. I didn't touch that, but I did get into a Nas sale, nasty Nas, um, on a 1 hour time frame. I think it was like a 15 minute, to be honest. Yeah, I actually seen this set up, and I'm like, it's no way that I cannot. So I did catch her down. That was 220 points. Um, did leave a little money on the table, but listen, she started consolidating after that, so I'm not worried about it. Now I know I don't talk about NDCs, but yeah, I just want to tell you what trades I have placed so far. Did I get into this buy? I don't think I touched SPX. I did touch SPX with that Nest sale that happened on Wednesday yesterday. Did catch a couple points on that. It wasn't that much. I have to do my calculations for that. USD JPY, I missed the sell off, guys, but I did have the analysis on point. I seen it. This was my entry, a easy 100 points that had took place. Just waiting for a retracement to get in for a sale. Now I know we know that overall this is bullish right now, but I just want a better retracement to get into the actual buy. I know I don't say counter trend, but when she is doing these types of moves, you can be able to get it. That's 101 points. I mean, 100 pips. Sorry, guys. My pips and my points be messing with me, but whatever. Points is more than pips. For every 1 point, there's 1,000 pips. For those who do not know that. All right, so this was a higher high, then we made a higher low. I mean a lower high. Then we made, oh my gosh, a lower low, lower high. I didn't really like this, but this was a lower high, lower low. Just waiting for a lower high to form. I'm also waiting for the retracement, so that's what's taking place right now. If she does retrace, give us a lower high, then we can continue to sell her down to our buy entry, and that's how you could be able to profit both ways. GBP, JPY, she's really about done. I actually haven't touched it, but I have a boy named Dre, and he is good. He been calling out GJ buys since GJ been buying. So and I like that better. She's almost about done. Um, Maybe about 50 more pips to hit that daily support or resistance. I wouldn't, try to forced to trade, but if the opportunity presents itself, you can definitely get in for the buy. Now, USD CAD. So we already knew that USD CAD has been consolidating, just going really back and forth here. She's not making a clear actual indication of what she's going to do. I think she's going to go bullish, but we'll definitely will see. But there is opportunity. I will definitely wait to see what the candle, if it's going to break out going downwards. Because look, 1, 2, 3, if she's going to break, retest, and then continue to sell, or she can easily be able to make a nice bullish engulfing or some type of bullish indication, and then we can get in for a buy. Really, it's price action at this point. But she has been consolidating, as we know. She is in a ranging market, and we do talk about ranging markets and how you could be able to profit in a ranging market. If you need some assistance, always go back to the Candlestick Bible or go back to the previous one of my previous videos where we talk about the ranging market, page 63. So feel free to look at that and see how you can profit on that. DXY, finally with the DXY. Okay, finally with the DXY. She's now making lower lows and lower highs. I mean, it's bad that I want her to sell, but I mean, come on. She should have been already selling. So she did start to do a sell-off because overall what I'm looking at is I want price to repeat itself, even though it's really bad that I want price to repeat itself, but because that's bad for the dollar, and I'm in the United States. But yeah. Yeah. All right, so she is finally selling. So if the DXY goes down, those pairs that starts with USD will go down as well. I don't know about index. Don't quote me on that. Because they're going to do what they want to do. I'm going to be honest. Yes. But the one that has a base pair of USD, like USD CAD, and maybe USD JPY, USD Swiss franc should go down, and then like EU and AU, GU should go up. Maybe NZDU as well. I don't touch her though. But yeah, so that's all what I have. Let you guys know what's been going on. We are still doing our sessions that's taking place. Even though I did have some minor setbacks, business still ran as usual, which is really great. That's why you want to set yourself up to be able to be your own entrepreneur, or just have that lifestyle, that flexibility where you can set your own schedules, make your own money, even in times of adversities. But that's all that I have for you guys. Tomorrow is Friday. The only news that is taking place is CAD at 8:30 a.m. That's major news. And then next week, I cannot wait to next week. Look at this. CPI, PPI. I can't wait, y'all. For my newbies, do not trade news. I want you to protect your account, protect your money. If anything, go switch to demo. Do not go play in this news and you don't know what the hell is happening. Okay? So yeah. This week was actually just like a slow week. Anyways, yeah. It's more like AUD news. Anyways, Thursday and then Friday coming up. Yeah. AUD CAD news. All right. So that's all that I have for you guys. Make sure that you like, subscribe, and share my information. I do have some videos on Instagram, TikTok already. Thank you guys for the follows, and thank you guys for going over to the other platforms and following me. I really do appreciate that. Make sure, if you do not know how to find me, I am Married to Goddess 22, MARTHEGODESS with two number twos. Um, I know it's only one D in Goddess because that's how I want it to be. And then also make sure that you follow my YouTube as well, because I'll actually be bringing more information. Well, not more information, just share more about my life at on my YouTube, the kids, everything as well. So if you cannot find me at Married to God 22 for some odd reason, people cannot find me, just type in my name here. And yeah, I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for the love, support, everything. I do place my ideas on Trading View, so make sure you also do follow me on Trading View as well. I am going to rest because I am exhausted. Also, yeah, I'm just exhausted. I'm gonna be honest. I have a lot going on, and just make sure you get that mental rest. Oh, also, just a little something that you guys do not know about me. But I do suffer from depression. So, along with all those adversities, life has been lifing with me. Okay, but I'm still getting up. I'm still beating depression ass. Still working out, exercising. This is why I say it's not for kids, because what I want to say is F you depression. Okay, but if any of you uh, suffer what I suffer, or go through what I go through, or even my mom's, the postpartum is still real. Okay, acknowledge that you have this, get your help, and then beat his ass. Okay, because we can do this, and let's make money. And no matter how much money that you have, if you have something like that, it has to make sure that it is acknowledged and taken care of. All right. Anyways, that was a little insider about myself. Yeah, so make sure you definitely follow me on YouTube, dog, because you'll be seeing more about my life and what I do. And how I actually help my community. I have a nice little event that's actually happening for the schools that I govern. I'm so excited. It's my first event that I planned. So let's see how that turns out. But you won't know until you know and you follow me and you hit that subscribe button. Peace. I'm out.